Hey guys, what's going on? I just wanted to tell you about a product or a brand, I should say, that I love and that I've been using for years. It's called Amy's. I don't know if you guys have heard of it. It's pretty popular in New York. You could find it online. You could find it in many grocery stores. More on like in the healthier grocery stores. Actually, no, that's not true. You could find it really in any grocery store. But it's kind of like a frozen meal, but a healthier frozen meal because they don't really add any artificial ingredients or anything like that, and they're just something you could feel better about, like feeding your kids if you don't have time to cook or whatever. I know, like for me, sometimes I'll do these if I don't have time to cook, or if by the time I come home and I'm just like too hungry to start cooking, and it's just something I could have quick, and I'm kind of like always on the go. So, maybe like once a week or something, I'll have one of these. They're made with no GMOs. All their products, they're perishable, but you keep them frozen. You can microwave or use in the regular oven. Of course, the regular oven will take much longer to cook them, but they're microwavable. So serving size is 1 bowl. This is how it comes, like the plastic wrap over it. There's 380 calories in this meal. This one is a cheese ravioli with sauce. Saturated fat, 4.5 grams. Cholesterol, sodium is pretty high in there at 680 milligrams, and 55 grams of carbohydrates. Of course, they're pretty high because it is pasta. Sugar, 7 grams, not horrible at all with the sugar. 20% calcium, probably from the cheese, and 14 grams of protein, which is good for me. I'm vegetarian. I always try to have something that has a little protein in it for me. If you don't know a little bit about Amy's, they always have like this little quick story on the back of on the side of their boxes. After the birth of our daughter Amy in 1987, we found there was little time to prepare the quality homemade food we normally ate. Realizing there were others like ourselves, we set up Amy's Kitchen to prepare delicious meals for those who care about the food they eat and are often too busy to cook. We use only the finest ingredients and prepare them with the same careful attention in our kitchen as you would in your home. No meat, fish, shellfish, poultry, eggs, or peanuts are ever used in any Amy's products. That's great for me because I'm vegetarian and I don't eat. I know some vegetarians and vegans eat fish, but I do not. Never eat fish ever in my life and don't plan on starting to. So it's kind of nice. I could eat this and not have to worry about cross-contamination with meat or anything like that. And I think that they do have some vegan products as well for you guys that are vegan. Obviously not this one because it does have real cheese, but I think Amy's is vegan friendly with some of their meals, so that's great. And these are like some of the other meals they have, like a 3 cheese and kale bake bowl, baked ziti bowl, brown rice and vegetables bowl, brown rice, black eyed peas and veggies bowl, broccoli and cheddar bake bowl, chili mac bowl, country cheddar bowl, so on and so forth. Pesto tortellini bowl, Santa Fe enchilada bowl, teriyaki bowl, tortilla casserole, and black beans bowl. I've tried many of the ones listed. I usually just purchase these in the store, so it's like, it kind of stinks. It's like if the store doesn't have it, then you can't try it. So best bet is probably online if you want to try all of these, because you'll have more selection and options as far as what you want to get. I'm sure you could find them all online. So no GMOs, no genetically engineered ingredients, and all dairy ingredients are made with pasteurized RBST hormone-free milk. So I'm sure that's great for some people, especially those that are pregnant, because I think when you're pregnant you can only have pasteurized cheese. Individuals with food allergies, this product is made in a facility that also processes foods containing soy, tree nuts, and seeds, including sunflower seeds. Amy's Kitchen does not use any peanuts, fish, shellfish, or eggs. So they have the ingredients listed: the cheese ravioli, ricotta cheese pasteurized whey, pasteurized part skim milk, vinegar, salt, organic unbleached wheat flour, organic durum wheat flour, water, organic semolina flour, organic vital wheat gluten, Parmesan cheese, pasteurized part skim milk, culture, salt, and enzymes without animal enzymes or rennet. Very important. If you guys, real quick, if you don't know what rennet is, it's disgusting. It's like made from like the cow stomach pieces or something like that. I don't know. It's gross. So I try, like a lot of cheeses do have rennet. Unfortunately, this is something I've learned recently, especially like Parmesan cheese that's like that you buy for like your pasta sauce. I'm Italian, so my mom used to buy Parmesan cheese all the time, and I found out it had rennet in it, and I'm like, I'm not having that anymore. Just a little backstory. I know like not everybody cares about that sort of thing, but it grossed me out, and it's nice to know that there's no rennet or animal enzymes in this cheese. Going on, honey, spices, sea salt, organic tomato puree, filtered water, organic onions, organic extra virgin olive oil, spices, organic grade A, double A butter, Parmesan cheese, pasteurized part skim milk, culture, salt, enzymes without animal enzymes are read again, sea salt, organic garlic, black and black pepper, contains wheat and milk. So I'm gonna go ahead and heat this up. I am not doing the oven, I'm just gonna do the microwave real quick. So directions: make a 1-inch linen overwrap. I usually just take it off and I put like a microwave safe cover on top. Cook on high for 45 minutes. Let's sit 1 minute and serve. So let's do that and I'll show you guys afterwards. Alright guys, so I just took this out of the microwave. It was only in for 3.5 minutes and it literally looks like it's ready to go. It's like boiling over. This is my microwave. I'm not really sure on the wattage and stuff like that. This is what, guys, just want to show you. It's like a regular standard microwave. So I don't know, it says 4 to 5 minutes in the instructions on here, but I really personally think it's shorter. I would just do 4 minutes. And it's fully cooked through, so there's some steam coming out. I don't know if you guys could see. So yeah, this is what the final product looks like. It is delicious, trust me. I've bought this before. So yeah, there's Amy's. Amy's products are kosher, by the way, also. So that was Amy's cheese ravioli with sauce. Great for a quick meal, delicious and satisfying. Hope you guys try it and love it. Later.